So we'll chuck it out on, mate. Fucking hell, with these ladders. Sweet. I'm not sure, to be honest.
This is small, isn't it?
Yeah, someone said this was like the first or third underground train tunnel. I just thought it fucking new. It's too small. I think it's going to be like locomotive. Not a train.
Not
like...
the passengers though, was it?
No, it's
right.
not. It's a little tramway, it's different.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah, that's cool. I think you're lucky. This is normally flooded where we're stood.
Are we coming back out this way?
Yeah. And literally, we're not going to get wet, basically.
It's like this raised bit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's.
For the,
I'm not joking, but it's normally up to the in the bed.
Did you just say two? Two? Not two, though?
Yeah.
Bring it in. Oh,
It's not good to
yeah, just shine. I'll see this shine. Oh, one again. See what I mean? Whenever we're going underground, this phone don't work. It's crazy. What's that down there? Look, them two. Oh, yes. That keep them in it. Oh, sorry. Come on, phone. Never works on the ground, this phone. Shitter. Sorry, it's really painful. Can you get you like that? Yeah. Yeah, that's done. Thank God. I'll get out your way in a minute. Right, I'll go forward. Okay, something I want to.
This is all asbestos on the bottom as well, and this is what everyone goes spastic on Facebook over. Oh, I see it. Look at that. There's loads of asbestos. It's normally wet, so it's not too bad.
Yeah. Should have put the gun, that's fine.
Just don't tread on it and you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Oh mate, as soon as it sounds, so like,
It's damp, innit? So.
as a handyman, mate, all I ever do is screw shit into walls, and I think, well, I'm probably coming into asbestos.
It's not building this. I've taken so much of that stuff down, smashed it up to the skids. Some of it, when we got law, we had to carry massive pissing it out, which I keep quiet about.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've been around all my life. Just playing bomb damage places during the war, in London.
Obviously don't want to be sniffing the shit, but
Yeah.
slight exposure. Yeah, there's a whole roof in a minute made of asbestos. Is there a second level, would you say?
Is there another level?
There's another ladder up here. There's loads of writing in this wall. why I like revisiting with people who are more inquisitive than me.
So I'm just going to go and got people got light and that.
Can you get all the way up?
There's a pipe through there as well. Hold on, let me run through this hole a second. Oi, where does that go?
Bring the roof down on. Standing above you, aren't you? He's standing right above you.
Yeah. Started out on my page conversion. At the bottom and you've got, oh, well, now you want to start plugging up your messages, are you? You can't be that way, mate. If you come into my message, you can go. AI hit it.
What makes sense to me is you realise you could be losing customers by posting this on your business page. I said, I couldn't give a fuck.
And you realise how many of them gain from around the
Well,
world?
there's that. About to come out.
Oh yeah.
Look at all the little straws. Hundreds of them.
It's mental when you look at it.
Wow, look at the calcite down here. It's like spunk all over the walls.
That's an old well, or ventilation shaft.
like that.